friends. I have another book for us today. My Friend is Sad by Mo Willems. We've got our two of our favorite characters, Gerald and Piggie. My friend is sad. Oh. My friend is sad. I will make him happy. Yeah. A cowboy. Oh. Gerald loves cowboys, but he is still sad. Oh, Hyde came to see the book too. A clown. Oh, clowns are funny, but he is still sad. A robot. Oh, how can anyone be sad around a robot? Piggie. Gerald? I am sorry. I wanted to make you happy, but you are still sad. I am not sad now. I am happy. You are happy? I am happy because you're here. But I was so sad, Piggie. So very sad. I saw a cowboy. But you love cowboys. I do love cowboys, but you were not there to see him. Well, in fact, there was more. Oh. Then I saw a clown, a funny, funny clown. But you were not there to see him. But there was more. I saw a robot, a cool, cool robot. And my best friend was not there to see it with me. But, you see, I am here now. You are here now. My friend is here now. I need my friends. You need new glasses. Ooh, and look, there's our friend the pigeon. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this story and tune in for more.